Today's topic is, how is prostate cancer diagnosed? Doctor, would you explain to our viewers?
Counselor, diagnosis of prostate cancer is actually very straightforward and fairly simplistic compared to other cancers. It starts with a digital rectal exam during physical examination, which actually is recommended for all males over the age of 35 at this point. And if a lump or an abnormality in the structure of the prostate is appreciated, then other testing is to be employed. Also, this further testing may also be initiated by an elevated PSA in an asymptomatic male through a screening process. The diagnosis almost always involves this next step, which is transrectal ultrasound. A narrow probe is put into the rectum and behind the prostate, and the prostate is imaged with high-frequency sound waves. And those sound waves are able to determine whether there are any abnormal masses or lumps or unusual tissue structures within the prostate. If they are not, typically the diagnosis may at that point be questioned and no further need for treatment be done. However, if any abnormality on ultrasound is perceived, while the ultrasound is occurring, a transrectal biopsy, needle biopsy, can be performed using the ultrasound as a guide, pushing the needle into areas that appear to be abnormal on ultrasound and drawing tissue out. If that fails, a transperineal biopsy can be performed with direct insertion of a needle in the area between the testicular sac and the anus. And that needle will then also withdraw tissue. And 95% of the time, these techniques are quite accurate in determining whether cancer is present and what cell type it is.
Thank you, Doctor.